that lonesome song again.
What's up, my bros? Getting all the tools ready for tomorrow to make some money. This damn thing right here was a pain in the ass. Being in the construction game, you gotta have your tools, man. Got my radio, bucket, hammer drill. Well, they're all my dad's, but you know, I look for them. Has been something on this list. Need to get my tire fixed. I like bike riding. Mongoose. Watch, y'all. It's cold. It's not really cold, but it's a little chilly. Today has just been nothing but rain. But got all my tools ready for tomorrow, for my dad anyways. But that's what I do for a living. Mostly is construction. But yeah, I've been going on job sites with my dad since I was 4 years old, man. I feel like I've been doing it my whole life. So anything you want me to do down in the comments, let me know down in the comments. Anything you want me to do or talk about or do a review on or a challenge or anything, literally like anything, let me know and I'll try my best to, you know. I always consider it. I'm at a point in my life to where I don't have much money. Like I don't even have enough money to go get me a can of dip if I want to. So I'm more focused on, you know, getting beard up with some money and get my own place. And I'm telling you, once I get my own place, which I don't know when it's gonna be, and I hope it's soon, man. But I know that when I get my own place, that I'll be able to make a lot more videos, a lot more content, a lot more entertainment, and me myself, I'll be in a better mental state of mind too. Cause I'm telling y'all, man, this ain't the real me. I've been pretty depressed the past couple months. One thing is my Uncle Dennis passed away, and he's the reason why I started making these videos. He was really my best friend, y'all. Really my best friend, and I talk to him every day of my life, almost, ever since I met him when I was 8 years old. I believe I was 8 years old. I was either 8 or 9. My Uncle Dennis, man, he drove semi trucks most of his life. I mean, he was a truck driver. You know, he grew up in Tennessee. This is where all my family is. But a lot of that family who I knew and grew up with down there, you know, going down there to stay all the time and shit, they're all gone. I mean, I still have my Uncle Slick, but that's a long story. He after him and my aunt, after my aunt passed away, he kind of got with another woman, married another woman, and that woman don't really want him to have anything to do with his family, which is really fucking bullshit because, you know, they've been married 30, 40 fucking years. And then you got, let's see, Gary Lee, he passed away. My Uncle Chuck passed away. My Aunt Nett passed away. My Aunt Nett and Uncle Chuck passed away a month apart back in 2016. My grandpa passed away, but he passed away when I was 12 years old. But still a lot of memories with him. And he lived down in Hawes, Tennessee, where he was born and raised at. And see, I live in Indiana here, unfortunately. this place I was born and raised at. But, you know, for a long while there, when my mom was born, you know, my grandpa was living up here, and my grandpa lived up here, my Uncle Chuck lived up here. A lot of them lived up here for a long time. I think Tennessee's pretty, man. And what I would like to do is go take a trip down there and go see some graves of my family. Haven't, you know, some of them I've seen already, some of them I haven't. First passed away. Just ain't never really had the money to go down there, you know, and just, like my Uncle Dennis, right before he passed away a couple months ago, he called me up. He just got out of the hospital, and he told me that he had lung cancer, and he was really wanting me to come up there, but I just couldn't, you know. I imagine I could have got down there if I really wanted to, but I just don't think it would have been a good idea. I mean, but, you know, he ended up passing away a couple weeks later, so I regret it now. But he understood, though, you know. But anyways, yo, that's pretty much what I'm up to today. Just getting stuff ready. Getting ready for tomorrow so I can make some more bucks. Getting all the tools in. Radio always comes first. Why?
We holla, I feel saddle up, get your money right, then you add it up, you grab the bull.
What's up, my bros? I'm at work at the moment. Trying to crack open me a dip. Yellow. I'm extremely sorry about that, y'all. I'm just a big Outlaw fan. But yeah, I'm at work at the moment. Doing a little bit of electric, drywall, patching up here and there. Try to get my money.
Big boy so cool, I make all them girls smile. Just tell me what you need, no code to make it happen. Things are changing, we got a country boy.
That morning the sun made its way through the windshield of my Chevrolet. Whiskey eyes and ashtray breath on a church rock gravel road.
Alright, my bros. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more content. And, yeah, I'm really tired. Really tired. Fuck, I'm tired. But, yeah, that was my vlog. All I did was pretty much... The first part of the vlog was yesterday, and this part of the vlog is today. So, hope you guys enjoyed. And let me know down in the comments if you want more, if anybody sees this. And, hey, hope you guys have a good night. And I think I'm going to hit the hay.